So we got this video. I don't know what this shit says, bro. Yes, I'm unbeing. Translation. Translated. Children cute cat ear watch. What? I guess this is what we're gonna be reacting to. Children cute cat ear watch. Let's just watch it. Alright, let's get it. Let's scare me. Alright. You know I gotta make sure it's not loud. Okay, I can turn it up a little bit. I'll go from top.
南非动物大迁徙的时候，就应该把你绑在地上，让那群大象给你踩踩背。
老爷爷，我给你踩背来喽！
操你妈！在童趣猫耳手表还强调把你破秒，背后说人闲话，想咋走些不要被老子抓到。来嘛，说我几句，老子就当是被狗咬。操你妈的，说唱过来吧，老子口爆。大众敢说不敢认，转身把你弄死。大多人都在过年那头，老子跟你骂死。不能想好咋个写课来想遍我的故事。再不找份工作，你娃咋个肚子？幸福是学历，你是说唱歌手。耍你妈的说唱忘了自己长得多丑。你的婆娘不会欧弟，还会直接割喉。你抱着她的身体跪到地上说句 Oh no。没得钱，所以日皮从来不得逃逃。你的屁股转不得飘飘。我是多了水的娃，我不出来尿尿。晚上老子抱着你的婆娘就睡高高。
Who told you to put this on my? Who told you to do mix? Oh. All right. So we just listened to what the fuck was the name of this shit? Children's cute cat ear watch. That shit was ass. I ain't gonna lie to you. That shit was ass. She said, "Shum shum meow meow."